Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our upcoming online workshop, Building Inclusive Learning Environments, Strategies for Fostering Diversity and Equity in the Classroom, scheduled for March 2, 2024, at 4 p.m. IST. In today's educational landscape, the concept of inclusivity has evolved beyond a buzzword. It has become a fundamental pillar of effective teaching. This workshop holds paramount importance as it addresses the critical need for creating classrooms that embrace diversity and ensure equity for all students. Recognizing and celebrating diversity enriches the educational experience, exposing students to a wide array of perspectives and fostering a sense of belonging. Equity in education is not merely a goal but a moral imperative. By understanding and implementing strategies to promote equitable learning opportunities, educators can bridge gaps and unlock the full potential of every learner. This workshop is an opportunity to delve into practical and impactful strategies that go beyond rhetoric, equipping educators to create environments where every student feels valued and empowered. By participating, you are not just attending a session, you are contributing to a more inclusive and equitable future for education. Join us on March 2 at 4 p.m. IST for an engaging and transformative learning experience.